In a hidden corner of the forest, a young explorer stumbles upon a mysterious treehouse. Intrigued, the explorer cautiously approaches this enchanting discovery, heart racing with excitement. Inside, a mesmerizing orb beckons, offering a chance for the explorer to make a wish. Thoughts whirl in the explorer's mind, pondering the weight of her deepest desires and the purity of her heart. With unwavering resolve, the explorer makes her wish known, the magic of the treehouse swirling around her. As the magic weaves its spell, the treehouse comes alive, fulfilling the explorer's wish in a dazzling display. A new challenge presents itself, testing the explorer's bravery and resolve in unexpected ways. With courage in her heart, the explorer steps forth to conquer the final obstacle, proving her worthiness to the magic of the treehouse. Stepping out into the sunlight, the explorer is now a beacon of inspiration, her journey leaving a trail of magic for all who follow.